Today I'm sharing the simplest Christmas dish, and honestly, even people who claim they don't like Brussels sprouts are likely to enjoy this one. It's quick, it's garlicky, and it tastes way fancier than the effort involved. We're starting with 400 grams of Brussels sprouts, the ends taken off, washed thoroughly, and then sliced into little coin shapes. This recipe is all about letting the sprouts do their thing with just a few supporting ingredients. Into your pan, add all the sprouts, along with 6 cloves of roughly chopped garlic. Don't be shy with the garlic, as this is the other star ingredient in this recipe. Next, sprinkle over 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I won't be adding any extra salt because this mix already has salt in it, along with black pepper, garlic and onion powder, paprika, nutmeg, a touch of chili and ground coriander. To be honest, you can use any spice blend you have at home, just season to taste. You'll need 1 cup of water, then pop the lid on and let everything steam for 5 minutes on medium heat. You just want to cook it long enough to soften the sprouts and mellow out the garlic. After 5 minutes, lift the lid and cook uncovered on higher heat for about a minute or so that most of the water can evaporate, leaving you with tender sprouts and a light garlicky sauce at the bottom of the pan. To finish, sprinkle over a handful of roughly chopped almonds. They add the perfect crunch and make the dish feel a bit more festive without extra work. And that's it! A quick, no-stress side dish that fits right in on the Christmas table. Simple ingredients, beautiful garlic flavor, and ready in just a few minutes. If you give this a try, let me know how it turns out, and enjoy your cozy Christmas cooking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!